Mixed Media Watercolor Tutorials with Miss O. This tutorial is to show you how you can add a magazine photo to your painting. Here I'm showing you how I went about laying in my background watercolor and the techniques that I use that we covered in an earlier video. Now that our piece is dry, I'm going to find an image in a magazine that I feel correlates to my painting. I'm going to take a little bit of matte medium, any kind of acrylic medium will work, and paint it onto the surface. Immediately after you finish applying the medium, turn it over face down onto the painted surface. Rub it on nicely and let it dry. Here's another example of one that I've already let dry. What you're going to do is peel up as much of the actual magazine as you can. Take a glass of water, and using that water, you're going to rub the paper off the back of the image, leaving just the ink in the medium you painted on. This is one of 8 techniques I'll be demonstrating on my channel. Come back for the other 7 and see how you can add them and experiment with your own artwork.